Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the induction of Varuna drone. Now Indian Navy will soon induct the country's first human-carrying drone named Varuna, developed by the Indian startup Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited in Pune. A demo of this personal air vehicle, an autonomous multi-copter drone capable of carrying the passengers, was shown at the plenary session of Naval Innovation and Indigenization seminar held in July this year. A Chakan-based Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited company has designed and manufactured Varuna. The manufacturer claimed that this drone can have goods including liquids, equipments and human beings with a standardized payload attachment, according to the Hindustan Times. The passenger drone, remotely controlled or flown automatically along predetermined routes, can hold a range of payloads in the area between its landing gear. It has the capacity to carry payloads up to 130 kg and can cover 25 km in just 30 minutes.